Have you ever wanted to share an existing Instagram post from your profile or someone else's to your Instagram story? Instagram has added a feature that makes this easy to do. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to share existing Instagram posts to your story. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app and find the post you want to share. Then, tap the paper airplane icon below the picture or video. In the menu that appears, tap Add Post to Your Story. The image will be added to an editing screen. The username of the person who originally shared the image or video will be automatically added to the bottom left corner of the image. Move the image around with your finger, or use 2 fingers to resize or rotate it. Now you can add a caption, tag friends, or swipe to add a filter. When you're done, tap the plus sign icon labeled Your Story at the bottom to post it. That's all it takes to share an existing Instagram post to your story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.